Number 0, Pioneer. Rebound by number 18, no, Pioneer. No good. Rebound by number 6, Ramas. Kindlet, dribbling the ball. Pass to Bitinol. Good for 2 by Bitinol. Attempt to drive pass to number 4. Number 4. No good. Rebound again. Dribbling by number 3. Nano. Kindlet. Controlling the ball. Pass to Mamang Kuning. No good. Number 1. Attempt to 3. Good for 3 by number 1. No. Number 6. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 1. Number 0 again. Good for 2 by number 0 of Pioneer. Attempt to 3. Nano. Good for 3 by Pioneers. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Trying to 3 again. No good. Rebound by number 6. Number 6 to number 18. Bitinol. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Again. No good. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 99. Goal for 2 by number 90. Controlling the ball. Looking for an opening. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Black. Intercept by number 3. Number 24. Kindly to number. Intercept by number 1. Number 1 to number 4. So, number 0, run. Attempt pass to number goal for 2 by number 18. Players controlling the ball. Pass to number 1 again. No good. Rebound by Nano. Number 18, Bitinol. Murag turbo. Gusto kayo mulagan. Pass to number 6. Number 6, agad. Number 4 to number 0 to number 1. Number 1, 3 again. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4 controlling the ball. Pass to number 0. 10 to shoot. Rebound by 89. 89 to 4. 4. Easy jump. Rebound by number 24. 24 to 3. 3 Nano to number 24. To number 18. Number 18. Mamang Kuning. Easy 2 by number 12. Grabe kasi rin si Rob. Number 18 to number 20. Number 20. Goal for 2 by number 20. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 2 again. Robio again. Pass to Dabon. Dabon. Goal for 2 by Dabon. Number 1. Attempt. No good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 1. Number 1 again. No good. Rebound by Bungolo to Dabon. Dabon controlling the ball. Pass to number 360. 360. Yes. Yes. For 2 by number. Good by. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. Intercept by number 2. Robio. Robio on the British. Robio. Pass to Bong. 360. Good for 2. Oh, Pioneer controlling the ball. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Good for 2. Number 12 again. Robio. Controlling the ball. Looking for an opening. Robio. Pass to 360. Robio again. Attempt to 3. Good for 3. Number 18. Controlling the ball. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Goal for 3 by number. Opening. Pass to Rubio. Rubio. Attempt. Pass to number Dabon. No goal. Dabon. White out. Easy basket by number 1. Good for 2 by number 55. Looking for an opening. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 18 to 16. Goal for 2 by number 16. Number 10 to number 9. Bulala. Team to 3. Rebound by Royal to Roy. Roy. Break by Roy. Good for two by Roy. Number 4. Good by. Good for two by Dimos. Zero. Written. Two number. Intercept by number 25. Escorial. Roy number 55. 55. Attempt to lay up. Good for two by number 55. To number 18. To number 9. Bulala. Bulala. No good. No good again. Rebound by Limosnero. Good. Pass by Limosnero.
Tagan mga palo mong gulo.
Pass break by number 13. Good. Number 20 to number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 18. Number 0. Good for 2. By number 0. No good. Bulala again. Kuya ako yung Pilipino, dagan lang yan. Good for 3 again, but... Number 7. Pass to number 13 again. Good for 2 by number 13. Brian Bulala. Intercept by number 0. Bulala to number 1. Reserve. Dyson. Good for 2 by number 20. Ten to shoot. Number 0 attempt to 3. No good. Rebound by Dyson. Number 22 to number 7. Number 7 to Nano. Nano good. Easily up by Osames Labaw. Good. 50 by Dyson. Grabe. Number 3. Bulala. Black by number 2. Number 2. Good for 2 again by number 13. Number 0, controlling the ball. Number 9, attempt to 3. No good. Rebound by number 16. Good for 2 by number 4. Number 0 to number 1. Number 1. Pass to Allah, number 13 again. Number 0, pass to number... Foul good, foul good.
May nabaw na yung kagamulo ba mo?
Good for 1. To Nano. Nano. Good for 3. 9, controlling the ball, pass to number 0. Number 0 to number 4. Number 4, easy basket by number 4. By number 4. Number 7. Pass to number 3. Number 3 got into 3. Good for 3. 3 seconds. Remaining time. Number 1. No good.
Ragaw na!
Number 9, Bulala. To number 4. Number 4. Rebound by Dyson. Dyson
mo ka sa highlights ka?
Good
Ano mo nakita sa
for by Jalukduk.
Share ko na
Number
yun.
7, controlling the ball. Looking for an opening. Ating
Tag na lang.
intercept by number 0. Number 0 to number 9. Bulala. Bulala.
Ma-share.
Good.
Pinaya kita, day.
Rebound by number 0. Attempt to 3. San Nico. Good for 3. Wala. Attempt to 3. Rebound by number 60. To number 7. Number 7 controlling the ball. Looking for an opening. Attempt to drive. Dribbling the ball. Pass to 360. To Eroy. To Bitino. To Bitino again. Good for 2 by Black. Good for 2. Number 0 to number 1. Number 1. Good. Number 7 controlling the ball. Looking for an opening. Dribbling the ball. Ating good for 2 by Tao Isilia. Good rebound by number 4. Number 4 to 0. Number 0. Good. This is by number 7 controlling the ball. Looking for an opening. Nalipat. What a nice shot. Number 4 of Pioneers. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Good for 3. Number 18 controlling the ball. Looking for an opening. Pass to number 0 again. Number 0 attempt to pass to number 30. Osamis. Good for 2 by dribbling the ball. Attempt to drive. Good for 2 by number 20. Nasipit. Number 18, pass to number 7. Jump stop. Good for 2 by number 55. Attempt to 3, no? Good rebound by San Nico. Pass to number 7. Number 7 controlling the ball. Looking for an opening. Pass to Magbanwa sa ilaw. Number 17 controlling the ball. Check by number 7, Rosal. Good. Number 17, attempt good for 2 by number 17. What a nice shot by number 17. Remaining time. Number 7 controlling the ball. Check by number 16. Number 16. Good for 2 by number 55. 10 Ingans. Rebound by Magbanwa. Good. Ako gihangyo na ako ang both team for the center. Picture taking sa... Picture taking before we have... Doon na tayo kamay nga talking. Ihatag na to sa atohang the Pioneers Basketball Society of Butuan City. Picture taking, palihog ko, Butuan City.